Do you want to turn a simple product photo into a poster or video that looks like a real ad? We all know that videos help sell more and keep customers interested. But here's the problem. Making ads the old way costs too much. You either need a big budget or you have to pay an agency and they will charge you a lot of money. That's why using AI is such a great idea. With AI, you can make product posters and videos fast, easy, and without spending a fortune. The truth is, not all AI tools work well. Most of them create results that look fake. They change the product shape, mess up the text, and don't give the quality you really want. So it's a big challenge to create high-quality ad videos using AI. In this video, I will show you how to create AI ad videos and posters for free, and also how to make ad videos without changing any text or shape of your product using just one simple tool. We will use Dreamina AI for the whole process. All you need is your product image. Go to dreamina.capcut.com. Here you will see the dashboard. Dreamina AI is an AI-powered creative tool developed by CapCut that enables users to generate high-quality visuals and dynamic videos. Here you will see a prompt box. You can upload your image by clicking the plus icon. After that, you will get options for AI image and AI video. In the image section, you will find different variations of your image that you can choose from. If you are in the USA, you will also see the video generate option. If you are outside the USA, you may need to use a VPN to access it. Then, you will see the aspect ratio option. Here you can select the ratio you want for your video, like one for YouTube or TikTok. Here you will get 140 tokens, which will let you generate a few videos and images for free. You can also use a 7-day free trial to make more ad videos. Just add your bank account details. They won't charge you anything. But make sure to cancel the subscription on time. Now click the plus icon and upload your product image. Make sure the image is sharp, detailed, and high resolution. Here, select your product reference type, like character, object, pose, etc. This will help the AI create your product exactly and accurately. Now add your image prompt in the prompt box. Make sure your prompt is clear and accurate, so it exactly represents what you want. Click on Generate. Within a few seconds, your images will come to life. As you can see, it generated the exact same image I uploaded. The color, tone, and shape are all perfectly the same. Once you're satisfied with your image, just download it. You can also click the Generate Video option to turn the image into a video. Just click here and you'll see the prompt box. Then, add your video prompt. You'll also find the video resolution option here, where you can create videos in 1080p quality. Once everything is set, click Generate. Now download the video. You can also use ChatGPT to finalize your product background. Go to ChatGPT, then upload your product image and your background image. Then ask ChatGPT to place your first image onto the background of the second image, just like I showed. Wait for a few moments while the image is generated, then download it. You can also ask ChatGPT to create ad video prompt ideas. It will help you get ready-made prompts, and you can ask for 2 or more ideas at a time. Now I'll show you a trick to use Dreamina AI even if it's not available in your country using a VPN. Just set up a VPN and change your location to the USA. Then upload your generated image into the prompt box. Select your product reference type. As I already said, this will help the AI create your product exactly and accurately. Now add your video prompt. Click Generate and wait until the video comes to life. Now download your ad video. That's it. This is how you can create your own product video for free.